Did you know that over 90% of people with type 2 diabetes have had their condition exacerbated by poor dietary choices, particularly the consumption of certain carbohydrates? Welcome to our video, 10 Dangerous Carbs Diabetics Keep Eating, where we're about to uncover the top 10 carbohydrate-rich foods that could be secretly sabotaging your blood sugar control. Our goal is not just to list these foods, but to delve into why they're harmful and how you can make smarter choices for better health. Have you ever considered that something as natural as fruits could be a hidden culprit in spiking your blood sugar levels? Stay tuned as we reveal more surprising facts and provide practical, healthier alternatives to keep your diabetes in check. You might be surprised to find out what everyday foods are on this list. Before we dive into our list, we have a quick favor to ask. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our informative content. Plus, stay tuned until the end because we're giving away 3 amazing free gifts to our viewers. These exclusive resources are designed to help you manage your diabetes more effectively and make healthier lifestyle choices. So stick around to find out how you can get your hands on these valuable gifts. Let's get started. Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is a familiar breakfast item: white bread. While it might be a staple in many households, it's not the ideal choice for those managing diabetes. White bread is made from highly refined flour, making it high in carbohydrates but lacking in key nutrients like fiber. This can lead to a rapid increase in blood sugar levels, presenting a challenge for blood sugar management. A new Australian study highlights the risks associated with a high intake of white bread, including an elevated risk of developing type 2 diabetes. But there's more to this story. The lack of fiber in white bread not only affects blood sugar levels, but also impacts digestion and overall gut health. Fiber plays a crucial role in slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which helps in maintaining more stable blood sugar levels. This is why switching to whole grain bread can be a game changer for diabetics. Whole grain bread is rich in fiber and essential nutrients, promoting better blood sugar control and providing longer-lasting energy. So the next time you're grocery shopping, make a conscious choice to swap out white bread for a whole grain alternative. Try this for just 1 week and take note of how you feel. You might observe better control over your blood sugar levels and even experience a boost in your overall well-being. So, are you ready to make the switch and see the benefits for yourself? Next up at number 9 are those tempting sugar-coated breakfast cereals. Sugar-coated breakfast cereals often contain ingredients harmful to diabetics, such as high-fructose corn syrup, dextrose, and other added sugars. These ingredients can rapidly raise blood sugar levels, leading to spikes that can be difficult to manage for those with diabetes. Additionally, refined carbohydrates found in these cereals lack the fiber necessary to slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Regular intake of such high sugar and high carb foods can increase the risk of developing insulin resistance, obesity, and associated complications like cardiovascular disease. A study in the Physicians' Health Study, which included over 21,000 male participants, found that higher consumption of breakfast cereals, especially whole grain cereals, was associated with a lower risk of diabetes. This suggests that the type of cereal consumed makes a big difference. So, for a healthier start to your day, try selecting cereals that are high in fiber and low in sugar. Your body will certainly appreciate the change. Sliding into number 8 is the ever-popular white rice, a staple in many kitchens, but here's something you might not know. Each cup of cooked white rice contains about 45 grams of carbohydrates, but only 0.6 grams of fiber. This imbalance means white rice can cause rapid increases in blood sugar levels, making it a less than ideal choice for diabetics. Over time, such dietary choices can escalate the risk of heart disease and other complications. In contrast, brown rice, a whole grain alternative, offers about 3.5 grams of fiber per cup, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. Why not experiment with this nutritious swap in your next meal? As we approach the top of our list, get ready for a surprising entry at number 3. This food item is often disguised as a healthy choice, but it might be doing more harm than good for diabetics. It's found in almost every fridge, comes in a variety of flavors, and is a popular snack or breakfast choice. Stay tuned to uncover what this common food is and why it's a concern for those managing diabetes. Next on our list at number 7 is regular soda, a common culprit in the diets of many. But did you know that beyond just being high in sugar, regular soda often contains high fructose corn syrup? This sweetener, less known to the general public, is especially harmful to diabetics. Unlike glucose, fructose doesn't stimulate insulin secretion or enhance leptin production, which is critical for appetite regulation. For diabetics, this means regular soda can cause blood sugar spikes without the usual hormonal cues to help regulate them. Additionally, high fructose corn syrup has been linked to increased liver fat and inflammation, further complicating diabetes management. Instead of reaching for a soda, consider sparkling water flavored with a splash of natural fruit juice or infused with slices of fruits like lemon or lime. These alternatives provide a fizzy satisfaction without the harmful effects of high fructose corn syrup. Herbal teas, both hot and iced, are also excellent choices, offering a variety of flavors without the sugar spike. Moving on to number 6, bottled fruit juice. While it might seem like a healthy choice, it's often far from it. For example, a typical 12-ounce serving of apple juice can contain up to 40 grams of sugar. That's as much as in 4 Krispy Kreme original glazed donuts. The high sugar content in these juices causes rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, which can be particularly dangerous for diabetics. Plus, the lack of fiber, as compared to whole fruits, means these sugars are absorbed more quickly into the bloodstream. Freshly squeezed juice with the pulp retained is a far better option. This ensures you get more fiber, which slows down the absorption of sugar. However, moderation is key. Even natural sugars can impact blood sugar levels. Vegetable juices, especially those low in natural sugars like cucumber or spinach juice, are another fantastic choice. And don't forget about whole fruits. They're always the best option, providing essential fiber and nutrients without the excessive sugar found in juices. At number 5, we have chocolate candy bars. These sweet treats are not just high in sugars, but also in fats, which can lead to an increase in insulin resistance. For a diabetic, this means a double whammy. The sugar causes immediate blood sugar spikes, and the fat content can worsen overall blood sugar control in the long run. It's crucial to remember that not all chocolates are created equal. Dark chocolate with higher cocoa content can be a better option, but moderation is key. At number 4 are fast food burgers, a staple in the modern diet, but a dangerous trap for diabetics. While it's easy to think of burgers as mainly a protein source, the reality is quite different. The buns used in fast food burgers are typically made with highly refined white flour, packed with simple carbohydrates that cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. These refined carbs are quickly broken down into sugars in the body, leading to an immediate impact on blood glucose. But the concerns don't end there. Accompaniments like ketchup and other sauces often contain added sugars, further increasing the carbohydrate load. The combination of refined carbs from the bun, added sugars and condiments, and unhealthy fats from the patty and toppings creates a perfect storm that can disrupt blood sugar control and exacerbate insulin resistance. This is why diabetics need to be particularly cautious with fast food burgers, as the carb content can be significantly higher than expected, posing serious risks to their blood sugar management. From the seemingly obvious unhealthy choice of fast food to a food item often cloaked in a health halo. At number 3, we have flavored yogurt. It's often mistaken as a healthy snack, but the truth lies in its carbohydrate content. Many flavored yogurts are loaded with added sugars, contributing to a high carb count that can be alarming for diabetics. A standard 6-ounce serving of some flavored yogurts can contain up to 28 grams of sugar, mostly in the form of simple carbohydrates. These carbs are rapidly absorbed, leading to quick and significant spikes in blood sugar levels. The danger with flavored yogurt is not just the immediate spike in blood sugar, but also the long-term impact on insulin sensitivity. Consistently consuming high-carb, sugary foods like flavored yogurt can worsen diabetes control. On the flip side, opting for plain, unsweetened yogurt, especially Greek yogurt, offers a lower-carb alternative. It allows diabetics to enjoy the benefits of yogurt, such as probiotics and protein, without the harmful blood sugar spikes associated with the flavored varieties. Adding fresh fruits or a touch of natural sweeteners can make plain yogurt just as enjoyable, while keeping the carb content in check. At number 2, potato chips are not just a concern for their carb content, but also for their impact on overall health. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that potato chips were strongly associated with weight gain over 4 years. This is particularly concerning for diabetics, as weight management is crucial in diabetes control. A single serving of potato chips can contain about 15 grams of carbohydrates and 10 grams of fat, leading to rapid blood sugar spikes and increased insulin resistance. Switching to healthier alternatives like homemade veggie chips or a handful of nuts provides essential nutrients and healthy fats, aiding in better blood sugar management and reducing the risk of weight gain. Before we reveal what is in our top spot, don't miss these exciting free gifts we have for you. First, there's the 25 Superfoods That Lower Blood Sugar ebook, a perfect guide for tasty, diabetes-friendly foods. Also, get our diabetes-friendly snacks, dishes, and desserts recipe book, packed with delicious, healthy recipes. Plus, don't forget to check out our exclusive video, How to Stop Diabetes with 30-Second Bedtime Solution, revealing a simple method to manage your blood sugar effectively. Stay tuned to find out how to access these amazing free resources. Our thank you for joining us on this journey to better health. Topping our list at number 1 is dried fruit, a seemingly healthy snack that can be a hidden danger for diabetics. Dried fruits like raisins, dates, and apricots are often considered healthy alternatives to candy. But when it comes to their carbohydrate content, they're not as benign as they seem. The drying process concentrates not just the flavors, but also the sugars in fruit. For instance, a cup of fresh grapes contains about 27 grams of carbs, while a cup of raisins or dried grapes backs a whopping 115 grams, more than 4 times the amount. Moreover, many commercially available dried fruits are coated with additional sugar or syrups to enhance their sweetness, further exacerbating the problem. They often lack the fiber present in fresh fruits, which is essential for slowing down sugar absorption into the bloodstream. For those who enjoy the convenience and taste of dried fruits, opt for varieties that are unsweetened and uncoated, and pay close attention to portion sizes. A small handful of dried fruit can be mixed with nuts and seeds to create a balanced snack that includes healthy fats and proteins, helping to moderate the impact on blood sugar levels. Diabetics should always check the nutritional labels on dried fruit packages to be aware of the carbohydrate and sugar content. It's also advisable to incorporate them as part of a balanced meal rather than consuming them alone as a snack. This can help to mitigate the rapid rise in blood sugar levels. And that concludes our exploration of the 10 dangerous carbs diabetics keep eating. It's important to recognize that the true enemy in our story is not just sugar itself, but the unawareness surrounding how everyday foods can drastically affect our blood sugar. Armed with knowledge and conscious decision-making, we are empowered to control diabetes more effectively and pave the way for healthier living. Before you go, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. For more in-depth guidance and tasty alternatives, check out the 3 amazing free gifts waiting for you in the description box below. If you'd like to show your appreciation, consider using the Super Thanks feature. Every bit of support helps us in bringing more valuable information to you. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What's one carb you were surprised to learn is dangerous for diabetics? Or maybe you have a personal tip or substitute for one of the items on our list. Drop your farts and experiences in the comments below. Let's learn and grow together in this journey. Thank you for watching, and here's to making smarter, healthier choices every day.